Ever wonder if job hopping could make you rich? Or if staying put is the secret to wealth? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the financial roller coaster of career moves with all the grace of a Wall Street bull in a china shop. Imagine this. You're at your desk, the clock's ticking slower than a sloth on Valium, and suddenly the thought strikes you. What if I just left? But before you leap like a caffeinated frog from lily pad to lily pad, let's talk turkey about the dollars and cents of jumping jobs. First off, there's this shiny myth that job hopping can skyrocket your salary. And guess what? There's some truth to it. Studies, those things we all pretend to read, show that job switchers often see fatter paychecks than those who stay loyal to one employer. But here's the catch. It's not just about jumping, it's about where you land. Negotiating your way into a better salary is like a game of poker. You've got to know when to hold 'em and know when to fold 'em. When you're interviewing, understand your worth. If you've got skills that make your boss's head spin, don't sell yourself short. Ask for what you deserve and then some. But remember, it's not just about the numbers on your paycheck. Benefits can be the silent heroes of your financial portfolio. Health insurance, retirement accounts, stock options. These are the unsung benefits that could make or break your wealth over time. Now, let's talk strategy. Job hopping can be like playing chess with your career. Each move needs to be calculated. Here's your game plan. 1. Timing is everything. Don't just jump because you're bored. Look for opportunities when the market is hot or when your industry is booming. You want to be the hot commodity, not the clearance sale item. 2. Skill up. Before you hop, skill up. Make yourself indispensable. Learn what's in demand. If you're in tech, maybe it's time to master AI or blockchain. If you're in marketing, dive into data analytics. The more you know, the more you grow. Your salary, that is. 3. Network like it's 1999. Your connections can be your golden ticket. Attend industry meetups, engage on LinkedIn, or even start a blog. People who know you, trust you, and they might just be the ones to offer you that dream job. 4. Brand yourself. In today's market, you're not just an employee, you're a brand. What do you stand for? What unique value do you bring? Make sure your personal brand screams "Hire me" louder than a foghorn on a quiet night. But here's where the plot thickens. While hopping can lead to short-term gains, what about the long haul? Building long-term wealth isn't just about chasing the next big paycheck. It's about stability, growth, and, dare I say, legacy. 5. Long-term wealth building. Invest in yourself. Every job should be a stepping stone to greater knowledge, skills, and experience. Not just for the next job, but for building a career that supports your lifestyle and retirement dreams. 401ks and retirement plans, don't ignore these. The magic of compound interest can turn today's modest savings into tomorrow's fortune. Job hop? Sure, but roll over those retirement accounts. Real estate or investments. Use those salary bumps to invest in assets that appreciate over time. Real estate, stocks, or even starting a side hustle can diversify your income and secure your financial future. Negotiate equity. If you're moving into startups or companies with stock options, negotiate for equity. It might be the golden goose if the company takes off. So, while job hopping can indeed boost your immediate earnings, the real art is in making each move count towards not just today's wealth, but tomorrow's legacy. Remember, in the grand scheme, it's not about how many jobs you've had, it's about how each one was a strategic step towards your ultimate financial freedom. Now, go out there, make those moves count, and let's see if you can outsmart the market with every career leap you take.